Alright guys, what's up? Cranking the Bass here. We're going to fish for some creek chubs. Oh. There's one. Dang, a small one. Alright, first one of the day. Right there. Alright, here we go. Let's see, catching that one. Alright guys, this is a really nice hole. Right, oh my gosh, dude, it's like super deep. First cast in that hole. See if you can't get anything. Oh, there we go, there's one. This is gonna be a fireplace. I'm gonna get my bike and get back over here. And there's a couple down there. This is gonna be pretty good probably down here. Here you go, buddy. Alright, let's go get my bike and drive down here. I got everyone. 3 creek chub. And there you go, buddy. Alright, let's see if we can't get any more. There's one. Little one. Oh my gosh. Go back where you belong. Alright, there you go. It's 4. There's one. There you go. Good buddy. Oh yeah. Oh, it came off. There you go. Oh yeah, that's the biggest one of the day right there. It's a pretty nice sized one. Alright, there you go, buddy. There's one. That's fine, good. Another pretty nice one. There you go, there's another creek chub right there. Sweet. There you go, buddy. These things are pretty fun to catch. You catch a bunch. There you go, there's another one. This neon one is working a lot better. I just lost the pink one, the pink trout magnet. So I think this one attracts more fish. Alright, there you go. There's another creek chub right there. This place is on fire right now. There's one. Oh my gosh, that's a little one. Look at that. Golly. Nope. Gosh dang it. They're really slippery. So, sorry buddy. That's a little one. There's one. Oh, just came off. There's one. There you go. Alright, here you go, buddy. There's one. Alright, there's a little creek chub. There's one. See, buddy. There's one. Oh, there's a good one. Sweet. Alright, see you, bud. There's one. Nice one. Get up here. There you go. There's a nice one. That's cool. Oh, sorry, bud. There you go. There's a nice little creek chub. There. Sweet. See you, bud. There's one. There you go. Alright, see you, bud. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. And see y'all later.